Every time you film a YouTube video or a podcast, you're leaving about 20 pieces of content on the table. Carousels, captions, emails, scheduled across every platform: Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, X, Threads, all of it. So most people either skip this entirely or spend half a day building this manually or outsourcing to a VA. I built a system inside Claude Code that takes a single YouTube URL and does the whole thing in under 10 minutes. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get the exact prompts so you can build it yourself. Now, before we build, I want to show you what this actually spits out on the other side, because once you see it, you're not going to want to go back to doing this manually. Now, if you're new here, I'm Brooke. I am an AI consultant and educator, and I own Wright Mode. I've trained over 1,000 women on AI implementation and scaled my own business to over 6 figures in under 12 months. So I built this workflow for my own content first, and then my clients started asking for it. Now it's inside my membership, and here's exactly how it works. So here's what this system actually does. You drop in a YouTube URL, it pulls the transcript automatically. There's no API key, nothing fancy. Claude analyzes the content, it pulls out 3 or 4 distinct carousel angles, writes the slides, platform-specific captions, creates the actual carousels inside Blotato, and then schedules them out with an 18-hour stagger so you're not flooding your feed. It also drafts an email that can be sent either to your email marketing software, or in my case, it's sent to my Notion dashboard, ready for review and scheduling later. One video becomes multiple pieces of content, and this is how I've grown my own channels by over 1,000% while showing up. And to build this, we're just going to use Claude Code, and it's going to connect with YouTube and Blotato and distribute out to the channels that we want. And if you haven't set up Claude Code yet, I'm going to show you how to do that first. It takes about 2 minutes. So I'm using Cursor. You can use VS Code, which is another free IDE tool. And it's basically where we're hosting Claude Code outside of the terminal because it's just visually appealing. You can do this within the terminal, or you could try Cursor or VS Code. All right. So how we access Claude Code in something like Cursor is you just jump over here to extensions. So this first one, you can just search for it, Claude Code, and it's this official one by Anthropic. And then you're just going to hit install here and it'll do its thing. That takes like 2 seconds. Okay, now once we've got that installed, we just want to open a project, and you just want to open this up and create a new folder here and name it something. So for me, mine's called YouTube Repurposer. And I'm just going to go ahead and open that now. And then to open Claude in here, I just want to hit show and run commands and then Claude Code. And this will open this new chat. And there's Claude Code for you, ready to go. To connect Claude for the first time too, you will just need to sign in with your Anthropic login. It's super straightforward and it'll walk you through it. And at the end of this video, I'm going to drop how you can get the mega prompt to build this whole system at the end, and you're going to be able to just watch Claude Code read it and start setting everything up for you. Okay, so first up, let's grab a video from my YouTube and test it now. So because I'm in this project that's been set up, I can just drop this YouTube URL in and let's get it to do its thing. And while it's doing that, I'm just going to show you Blotato. So Blotato is a social media repurposing tool, and it also has the ability to create videos, carousels, anything you want. And so to set up the Blotato MCP, you just go down here to settings and across to API. And Sabrina has made this super easy because she has set up a MCP now. So you just need to copy this setup command. And then if we just jump back into our Claude Code and then just paste that in there, and then it will run through that whole thing and set it up for you. Okay, and so you can see here, Claude has transcribed this video, and all it's done is created this Python script that pulls that YouTube transcript for us. So you don't even need your API key for this. And so I've just asked it now to create the carousels as per the workflow, and you can see it's gone here and given me 4 angles. I've also included an infographic, which Blotato makes these really cool infographics. So if I just jump back in here and go to videos, and you can see that it has these really cool infographic templates now, and there's a whole bunch that you can choose from. So these are all of the templates that you can choose from, and you can just grab these and drop them into Claude Code. I have about like 6 to 8 for that I choose from each time, but you could just give it access to all of them if you wanted. All right, so let's say, yeah, we're happy with this, and go ahead and create them. Okay, so you can see here it's updated its to-dos, it's created the carousels via Blotato, and now it's going to schedule them. So one will immediately go out, the next one in 18 hours, 36 and 54, and also write the email copy and save it to my Notion dashboard. So let's have a look at these now. So here in Blotato is the infographic. So this was a YouTube video I did about the 3 levels of Claude Cowork. And I built a Slack PA agent, which is here. This is so cool. Let's have a look at some of the others that it's created. So this tweet card one, which has pulled my photo, my profile photo and everything. And it's got 5 slides here. So good. Okay, and one thing I've noticed here is if we just jump back into Blotato, it's actually used photos that are not from my website. So I have specifically said in the workflow that it must pull photos from my website because these are all public links, so it has access to those. So 90% of automations is problem solving. So let's just tell Claude that and it'll fix the problem for us. Okay, so you can see here it has fixed that problem and it is now grabbing images from my website, which is awesome. And so if we jump back into the videos here, you can now see this one has also been made and pulled from another image on my website. And jumping into be able to see all of the upcoming posts that have been scheduled. So all of these carousels are repurposed from content that I've already created. So this is how you leverage AI and automations. You can show up authentically, that AI and automations can distribute this to channels and create more content from one quality piece for you. And so you can see here, this is now on my Instagram with an on-brand caption and some really nice visuals. And also on my LinkedIn. So good and so easy now to show up across channels multiple times a day. And really cool is I just said to Claude, hey, I'm going to give this to my members in my membership, which is my school community, which is amazing for women who want to use AI to scale their businesses to get more time and make more money. And it just created this mega prompt. So all you need to do is paste this into Claude Code and it will ask you for the Blotato MCP, which we've already covered, but you just jump into settings and go API and copy this. It'll ask you for website images. And so how you do that is I just hit Control and then go down here to copy image address. So I've just given Claude a bunch of my branding photos that are online because they need to be publicly available and Google Drive links don't work. If you want your branded photos as well, that's how you do it. And then so it will ask you all of those things. So for the Blotato MCP with your API key, and it will also get you to provide branding photos and also your brand voice, which you can just grab out of Claude or chat and just say, hey, I need a 1-pager brand voice guide that's going to be used to repurpose my YouTube or podcast on brand carousels. You provide a document and to give to Claude Code. That's all you need to do. And so here is this mega prompt. It is like lines and lines of code. And so this is all in my membership. And all you need to do is just copy and paste that in and walk through the steps and it'll all be set up for you. I hope you found that helpful and make sure you like and subscribe so that you can check out what else I'm building, and I will see you on the next episode.